Most people don't realize this, but AI can actually replace pretty much your entire marketing team today. AI can do the tasks faster, better, cheaper, and with far less errors than most humans can. Here is what actually works in AI in the world of marketing today. Quick stat, 40 to 50% of current marketing roles already benefit from using AI. Automation agents are currently performing repetitive tasks which require minimal human effort, freeing up humans using AI to focus on more strategic and more creative tasks. If you're still doing marketing the old way, you're already behind. Here I've listed some of the core marketing functions that we can use AI to help us create or help us automate. The first one being content creation. So things like blog posts, product descriptions, landing page copy, ad copy, social media posts. These are great examples of how we can leverage AI. Using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, you could create really high quality blog posts, social media posts, ad copy, product descriptions, using the free versions of all of these tools that I've just named. They've got a very generous free version where you just sign up using your email address or your Google account and they'll give you access, so you don't even need to pay anything. The next one, social media management. Tools like Hootsuite, not sure how to pronounce that, Publer, SocialBee, all of these tools help automate and create social media calendars for you. So effectively, you would sit down for an afternoon, maybe a couple of hours, to create your entire year's social media calendar, which allows you literally to create as many posts as you want, and it will automate and drip feed them to seem like your social media account is active when you've just done it and it's a set and forget. Email campaigns. Using tools like Copy or Active Campaigns, you can create a campaign which is hyper personalized. You can create sequences on a timely manner to roll out the email sequences to your target audience or to your cold prospects. Video and image generation. Tools like Sora, Synthesia, Ideogram, Midjourney, and then you've got things like Kling AI. You can create high quality, stunning videos at a fractions of the cost of what it would cost you to hire a human videographer, actor, or even a professional photographer for your products. So you can ideally upload your products into some of these image creation platforms and have a high quality website ready photo of your product ready to go. Data analysis and campaign optimization. Tools like HubSpot or even Google's marketing platform itself helps you analyze, organize, and create highly effective marketing campaigns using historical data to base your marketing campaign on, so you know what works and what doesn't work. And all these tools help you automate that. So this is what the flow would look like when using AI in your marketing team. So you would start off by using AI to generate ideas, draft ideas, and create these amazing brainstormed overviews, outlooks of what the campaign should look like. And that will give you a lot of ideas. That's like having 50 people in a room just brainstorming ideas and going backwards and forwards. You can use AI to do that. Then you would use a human, that's my human, in the loop. So it's a human in the loop that would review and curate these ideas. So the idea is you're not letting AI create the idea and run rampant with whatever idea it creates, because you wouldn't want that. You want a human to say, okay, that's a good idea. That's not such a good idea, but that's something that we could do in the future. So that's what the human in the loop would be there for. And then again, you go back to AI to review, report, analyze all of these functions which a marketing team would do. I mean, you could even have AI create the idea, human review it, and then ask the AI to do deep research into the current marketing arena of that idea. So you would have a brainstorm of 100 different ideas, get the human to say, not sure about that one, that one's good, that one's good, that one's good. And the ones that are good, okay, AI, go out now and do deep research across all of these industries and niche platforms and all of these areas, and tell me the landscape of the marketing, tell me the landscape of the competitors, what are the competitors doing right, where are their weaknesses, where is their advantage that we can go in and exploit weakness out there in the market. We've just covered a lot of things that AI can do, but we should also look at some things that AI cannot do yet. You've got to remember that AI is a tool. It's a tool in your tool belt. So you wouldn't get your hammer and just ask it to, hammer nails by itself. It wouldn't be able to do that. You, as the human, would need to pick up the hammer. A qualified, skilled person will be able to use that hammer to its full potential. Remember, it's still a tool. So while AI can perform a lot of these marketing tasks, remember that you are still the driver and you are still very much in control. You've just got to use AI to its main benefits.